Hey guys, don't mind like my hair. Don't mind my looks, okay? I know I look crazy, but we just opened up these hot noodles. Like, they're about to be fire. Like, oh, I'm gonna let my cousin leave. Let me shut up. So guys, we opened the noodles and look how weird they're shaped. I never seen a noodle shaped like this.
Circle, not square. Because the other one is square.
So we opened it and so far we found these, the sauce and some type of chip and little crumbs.
Circle, not square. They're circle.
Let's get to going, guys.
Ramen noodles are square.
Okay, guys. So we finna try these noodles. Hold up. These is it. These are noodles right here. And like, yeah. So what we're about to do, we're about to put our packs in right now. These are the packs.
This like some chip stuff.
Oh, we supposed to put that in while it's cooking.
Oh.
Well, I'm still put it in. Look at this.
Mine looks.
Okay.
Mine look all.
I look kid.
Mine look all chef gourmet, chef. You know.
Bro, I look like I've been through it. You know, man. Straight out the jungle, yeah.
Girl, you put it all in there at one time. Mix it up.
Okay, mix it up.
Oh, they smell hot.
Now I'm gonna put some slap your mama on it to make it even hotter. Look at this. Make you wanna slap your mama.
And while she do that, I'll put some Red Hot Original season.
Pour it. Ooh, pour it. Whoa, this gonna be hot. So she's put that in there. Now we about to switch seasonings. We're gonna put this in here.
Yo, mama.
But you gotta put it up like this so they can see.
What's in my eye?
For real?
Yeah.
Is you okay?
It's on blonde.
So this is how mine look, y'all. We're at Hot Wings in here.
And I'm just gonna put original hot sauce in mine.
So we're making this hot. Okay. Okay.
I'm sniffing it.
Before we eat, we have to pray for our food. Join hands. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. God is great. God is good. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Amen.
Amen.
So, now we're about to try this food. Like, okay.
One. Well, let's put on the timer and see who can eat it the fastest.
So, y'all, we're gonna start it. Not because we need you to say go. Because
Okay.
Oops.
press start.
Did y'all use march, get set, booty head.
What?
On your march, get set, go.
Oh my god.
But it's hot, bro. This not hot. It's hot.
We should have got water.
Huh?
Oh my god. We didn't take my nose. What time?
It's been exactly 1 minute.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
Milk. I don't even drink milk.
I'm done.
She won, bro.
I need milk.
Okay, she better go. Watch.
gonna do?
It make it stop the hot.
Hot,
I don't drink milk. But it's hot. I don't know how she got through this, bro.
I couldn't hear you.
Y'all. So she done. And I'm still eating. Look, my nose is running, bro.
Mine too. But anyways.
Oh. What you doing? What you doing?
Your nose running.
I know my nose running. What's how heavy this is?
I tried to tell her that it's gonna be really, really hot.
All gone, y'all. I'm a G. It took me way longer than my cousin, but she cheated. She still got a little bit of noodles, but it's okay. My mouth hot and like we used all of these plus the sauces. My mouth is hot. I don't like. It's so much stuff I gotta do. Milk. What the crowd? She left me here to suffer. Okay, I'm update y'all like. I'm not like this like. Yes, these noodles are very hot. I highly recommend that you do not try this at home. It took at least 1 hour to stop the hotness. What's up, guys? Okay, I am back, and this is the end of my freaking video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I know I've been looking here all day. Do not remind me, okay? I just need to get myself together, okay? Okay. See you in the next video.